Just host scammer. Hi guys. I just want to warn you about big scammer site called justhost.com. Any person who will see their package they are giving to their customers unlimited space, bandwidth etc. with very cheap price on main page, it will attract him or her, unless a person read their terms and services. You won't be able to make almost any kind of popular site on this crap host. I am one of the victim register many domains on their hosting service. Let me give you little introduction about that. You can't make ebook site, streaming site, any kind of audio or video site, image, file dump, mirror, similar to rapid share, photo bucket, or commercial banner ad rotation, escrow, high yield interest programs or related sites, investment sites, forex, e-gold exchange, sale, auto surf sites, bank debenture trading programs, prime banks programs, lottery sites. Let's see what they say about their resource usage. User may not use 25% or more of system resources for longer than 90 seconds. According to them, there are numerous activities that could cause such problems. These include CGI scripts, FTP, PHP, HTTP, extra. Any wise person can understand this is holy crap. They just don't want the more resources of their servers. User may not run standalone, unattended server-side processes at any point in time on this server. This includes any and all daemons, such as IRCD. Run any type of web spider or indexer, including Google Cache/AdSpy, on shared servers. Run any software that interfaces with an IRC, Internet Relay Chat, network. Run any BitTorrent application, tracker, or client. You may link to legal torrents offsite, but may not host or store them on our shared servers. Participate in any file sharing/peer-to-peer activities. Run any gaming servers such as Counter-Strike, Half-Life, Battlefield 1942, etc. Run cron entries with intervals of less than 15 minutes when using PHP. Include functions for including a local file. Include the local file rather than the URL instead of include http://yourdomain.com/include.php. Use include.php. While our shared services are suitable for the bulk of our customers, there comes a time for some websites when they are better suited for a larger plan, which allows for more dedicated CPU and memory resources. We reserve the right, in our sole discretion, to discontinue service to any customer with the website or other hosted data that takes up more than 10% of the server resources and /or 10% of the server's CPU. This means that if your website is found to be utilizing more than 10% of the CPU and memory of the service, we reserve the right to take your site offline. If this becomes necessary, you can either upgrade your hosting package, or request a prorated refund of the amounts you have paid in advance for the services. Due to the severity of this, and our ability to act quickly to correct these situations to avoid server issues, we will do everything reasonably feasible to provide you with a warning prior to taking your site offline, but we accept no obligation to do so. Inodes. The use of more than 50,000 inodes on any shared account may potentially result in suspension. Accounts found to be exceeding the 50,000 inode limit will automatically be removed from our backup system to avoid overusage. Every file, a web page, image file, email, etc., on your account uses up one inode. Sites that slightly exceed our inode limits are unlikely to be suspended. However, accounts that constantly create and delete large numbers of files on a regular basis, have hundreds of thousands of files, or cause file system damage may be flagged for review and /or suspension. Over time, tens of thousands of messages, or more, build up, eventually pushing the account past our inode limit. To disable your default mailbox, log in to cPanel and choose Mail, then Default Address, set default address, and then type in :fail. No such user here. Now you guys tell what can you do on this fucking host. Don't go by my talk, just check their terms and condition, you will understand everything. Finally, I have found good host, which is a little expensive, but they give all those features what they say. I will not tell you about that host, because if I do that you may think I am promoting some host. Well, I am not. Check out by yourself, you will find it. Just read all their customer wherever you want to host their service.